Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is another short video that we're going to honor the hashtag pink for DJ King. Here is her picture, and I'll put the hashtag down here if you are so inclined that you want to support that fellow content creator and do a video. What she does is the community that she works going through chemotherapy, she has them look, they can look at the hashtag pink for DJ King. It's all in one spot, and when they are going through their treatment, then they have something positive to look at, and then they know that we all care about them. I decided that I wanted to do this in October and sprinkle in some pink for DJ King throughout October, because cancer, it wasn't breast cancer, but cancer has hit my family. My mom passed away from abdominal cancer, and my father-in-law passed away from lung cancer. So we have been hit with that. So if you're here to support that, please come back. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, I have something here. It's special. It's special. It's a cute little sucker too. It is a teeny tiny bag. It's a teeny tiny bag. And it is from Tory Burch. It's a teeny tiny Tory Burch bag. Let's see, what's it called? This says Empower Women from Tory Burch. This is the Ella Nylon Mini Tote, bright pink red, 6,904. And the comparable value is $198, and I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that. This is what it looks like. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom, and it's a zip right here. Here's the inside. Let's see, take the stuffing out. Okay, so it does, look here, it does come with the crossbody. Whoa, right here. Or crossbody or shoulder bag, I'm not quite sure. Let's see. She's still attached. She's still attached. Let's see if I can, yeah, there we go. She is very adjustable, looks like. I'm trying to. There we go. So I thought this might pop off the yellow. Let's see if we can. It is more adjustable. The bag is more adjustable. The strap, rather. Let's see. There we go. Cute. And I can add an extender to it because it still kind of hits me like a boob bag. Although it did stretch really far, but let's see. I wonder, I think I might. Hold on. Yeah, I actually have an extender here. I ordered some off of Amazon. I had some gift cards, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use it to get me some extenders, because I tend to just leave them on the bags. And this one is a cute one. See, it's hearts. So this will be cute because it'll go pink, and then, oh yeah, that'll work. Really cute. I'll show you in just a second. Cute. Oh yeah, there we go. And actually, it comes down even lower than I probably need it. Which is the story of my life. It's too short. Or it's too long. But no, it's okay. It's okay, and I keep it there. This would be a great baseball bag. Be a great bag in a bag. Look at that. It's cute. Love it. So here is pink for DJ King. Hashtag pink for DJ King. For this go around, it's the Tory Burch Ella Mini Tote. Hope y'all like it. Oh, did I show y'all the inside? Oh, I don't think I showed y'all the inside, did I? Here's what the inside, and it has a card slot back here, and then just little inside there, pink zipper pull, and here we go. There we go. Cute, cute, isn't it cute? Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for joining me for hashtag pink for DJ King. Thank y'all very much. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye. Okay, Bean Beauties, don't forget that I do have some merchandise for sale. If you're interested, here is a purse hook. You can reach me at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Reach me at beanbeautybagsit on Instagram. And if you're interested in that, I also have the Bean Beauty membership going on as well too, that you're welcome to join for some extra content and some extra one-on-one if y'all are so interested in it. And if you don't mind liking and subscribing, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helped my channel grow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Love y'all, Bean Beauties.